Hi everybody, welcome back to Jolie Knots. I am Crystal and today we are going to be asking the pendulum some questions. This is for entertainment purposes only, so if you don't like what the pendulum is saying, no big deal. It's just for your entertainment. Just think of it like a bad movie. All right, hopefully I can get this focused for you guys. Oh, I am going to ask some questions about, the state of the world and what's going on, and see what kind of answers and responses I get. I've been asking about most every day for the last several weeks. And I guess I'm getting tired of writing it down. So we're just gonna film it and I'll share it with you guys, all right? Okay. Thank you, Spirit. Can you please tell me what year we are in? $2025. Okay. Ooh, my hands are shaking. Let me get my elbow down. Is Elon Musk currently under arrest? Yes, thank you. Can you please show me some bigger energy? Thank you. When will the public find out of Musk's arrest? Monday? Thank you. What is the percentage of likelihood that we're going to find out on Monday that Musk has been arrested? It's shaking, guys. Sorry. My hands are so shaky. Okay. Thank you so much. All right. What is the percentage likelihood that Musk will be arrested or that the public will find out about this arrest on Monday? About a 70% chance. Okay, thank you. The universal law of truth requires that all spirits speak the truth. Are you speaking the truth? Strong yes. Thank you. Will Drump be arrested? Strong yes. Thank you. When will this happen? When will Trump be arrested? Is Saturday or Sunday? Let's get some clarity. Clear, please. Please show me your energy. Thank you so much. What day will Drump be arrested? Oh, now it's moving directions. Friday. What is the percentage of likelihood that Trump will be arrested on Friday, today, February 6th? February 7th. What's today? February 7th. What is the percentage of likelihood that Trump will be arrested on February 7th, 2025? %60 chance. Thank you. Okay, I need to readjust here. All right. What day is the Super Bowl scheduled to play? Sunday. Thank you. All right, here we go. Thank you. All right. Will the Super Bowl be delayed? Yes. Strong yes. Thank you. What are the chances that the Super Bowl will be delayed and not be held on Sunday, February 9th? Whoops. Sorry, guys. What is the percentage chance that the Super Bowl will be delayed and not held on Sunday, February 9th? %70 chance. Will this be, thank you, Spirit. Will this be because of protests and civil unrest? Strong yes. Thank you. Will Mardi Gras be delayed? Will Mardi Gras be delayed in New Orleans? Mild yes. Thank you. If Elon Musk is under arrest, how is he still posting on social media? Let me ask you, who is posting on social media instead of Elon Musk? Family friend? Is Elon the one posting on social media? No. What is the percentage likelihood that Trump will be arrested in the month of February? 80%. See, that actually went down because it was 100% when I asked yesterday. Okay, thank you. Clear, please. %. Okay, thank you. Clear, please. Okay. Now, what should I ask next? If you guys have questions, write them down and I can ask. And hopefully I won't be so nervous the next time I do this. My hands are so shaky because I've not done this on film before. Okay. Will Kamala go back to the White House? Yes. What year will Kamala go back to the White House? Entertainment purposes only, guys. What year will Kamala go back to the White House? What's the matter? Why are you shaking? Okay. Okay. Show me your energy, please. Thank you. What year will Kamala go back to the White House? What year will Kamala go back to the White House? $2025. Thank you. Clear? What month will Kamala go back to the White House? What month will Kamala go back to the White House, please? March? End of February, March, it looks like. Whoops. Sorry. Okay, thank you. Clear? Show me your energy, please. Thank you. Will we move from Democrat and Republican to a one-party political system? Will America move from one to a one-party system? Yes. Will this change at all due to free will? No, thank you. What is the percentage, okay, no. What year will the USA move to a one-party system? 2026? Are you saying that in 2026, the USA will move from Democrat, Republican, Independent, Green Party, all that, to just a one-party system? Yes. And what year did you say this will happen? It looks like 2026 again. Maybe the beginning, end of 2025. I can't tell. My hand's so shaky. I'm so sorry. To try and do this another time. But if you guys have questions that you want me to ask the pendulum, then just let me know. I have been hesitant to be posting on my channel because I haven't been crocheting a lot, and it seems like I'm not sure that a lot of people really like mixed content. But you know what? This is my channel and I do a lot of different things, and I don't want to just give up my channel because I'm not crocheting as much. So I do a lot of different things, and maybe I will start sharing them with you guys if you are interested in that kind of stuff. All right. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you next time.